Welcome to How to Grow Your Business Faster Using CRM and Email Marketing. Here is our agenda: who we are, keys to growing your business faster, how CRM and email marketing can help, why SOFFRONT is the best choice, and a special offer. Our background: we started enterprise CRM business 21 years ago, 1992. 3 years ago, we created a small business CRM which is completely designed for small business. We did not take the enterprise and dumb it down to a small business. And we have over 20 plus awards. Here are some of our customers, and here are some of our awards. So what are the keys to growing your business? Okay, we all know that. We got to get more leads and convert them to customers and repeat it again. Who do we serve? We serve from solo entrepreneurs to all the way to enterprise. What are the effective way of generating leads? Okay, I'm sure you know that referrals is the best way, or whatever your field you are in, you're an expert, so you can talk about your expertise in seminars or radio talks or become a guest speaker. Many ways you can get leads, and certainly from online. The question is, when you get all these leads, how do you organize them? That's where CRM can help. So can you find everything when you need it in your current situation? If not, CRM can help you with that. If you put in paper, for example, you get business cards and put a rubber band and hope one of these days you're going to call and you may forget. And also you can, if you are using electronic, perhaps you can use spreadsheets or Outlook or email or Gmail or constant contact databases and so on. But it is different places. The leads are in different places, different systems. For example, you have leads in email marketing software, and then you have in spreadsheet or in Outlook. It's hard to find everything because they're not all in one place. The next question that CRM can help you with is, do you have a sales process, and is it repeatable, and do you know where you need to improve it? The another question CRM can help you with is conversion rate. What's your conversion rate? Meaning, what percentage of leads are converting to customers, and do you know where to improve? So these are some of the ways CRM and email marketing can help. Let's analyze them one by one. CRM organizes everything in one place, so it's easy to find. So for example, if you have a customer or a lead or a contact, you put everything in one place, their information, the prior communications, any notes, appointments, to-do list, everything in one place. So you find the customer, you find everything else. It's like CRM is also like your virtual assistant, because you define the process and CRM will create the tasks automatically. It will prioritize as per your priority, and then it reminds you, and most importantly, it will provide you everything you need before your important meetings, because they're all in one place. So why SOFFRONT is the best choice? So our small business CRM, it's hosted in Amazon. It automates capturing from your social media sites or websites, and you can create autoresponders to nurture them. We provide a very efficient prospecting and converting leads to customers, and you can customize your sales process or forecasting process and touch campaign, which is autoresponder and newsletter, in a few minutes. As I said, you can do it from anywhere, any place, using either iPhone or iPad or Android or a desktop. Capturing is very important. As I said before, capturing involves from all different places to one database, which is the central database in CRM. So you can take business card and scan them. You can get leads from your website through opt-in forms or from Eventbrite, people who registered, or simply import from Excel or CSV file. Here is a little video to show you how to create a lead capturing form.
You can quickly and easily capture new leads from your website or social media pages that are automatically entered into your CRM by creating a web form. Make sure you give this web form a name and fill out the requested information up here at the top, especially the return URL, which is where you'll direct your visitors after they complete the form, and the autoresponder that you'll send them after they complete the form. Down here we have the form, and if you click on it, we can do several things. We can insert or remove fields as well as edit them. So I'm going to edit this first name field, and I want it to just say name. So I'm going to change this and also make this field required. Then I'm going to click down here and I'm going to remove the comments field since I don't feel that's necessary. And now I can save my form. I can click on preview to see a sample of what my form will look like to the visitors. And if I go back, I can click on generate, and this will give me the code that I can copy and paste into my website or my social media pages. And then once that's set up, the leads will start coming in.
So now you saw how easy it is to create a lead capture form. Next, we got leads from a lead capture form or other places. We want to create an autoresponder or a touch campaign, and it can be done in few minutes. You can create day by day, multiple day, or bi-weekly. You can create a few messages and you can schedule it. Here is a little video. Here is a little video that will show you how to do in few minutes.
A touch campaign is a series of emails sent to your contacts automatically at an interval that you've determined, such as days or weeks. So here we have a message that we've started for insurance benefits and tips, and we have our first 2 messages sent out. And this will go out at an interval of 7 days. I want to add another message to my series, and it's going to have the same template. So I can simply copy message, and now I can just make my changes to the template. So here I can change the text in any field to anything that I desire, and then also I can change different features about the email template to change the look. So I can change the body border, I can give that a black, and here I can change the body text. I'm going to change it to a blue. And I can also change the image here. I'll click on the image and then click on the image icon to select a new image. So here I'm going to go to my image gallery and see the images that I have under healthcare. And I'm going to insert this image, and you can size it accordingly and click OK. Here I make sure that my interval is 7 days. That's consistent with my other messages. And then I can go up here and click on a start date. So I'm going to start this series tomorrow at noon and click OK. Once I'm done setting up my series of messages for my touch campaign, I simply click on Save. And then I can go ahead and click on Execute, and this will send my messages, starting with the first one, and then every 7 days send the next email that I've created.
So as you can see, that a touch campaign can be created very quickly. It's all in one page. You never have to go multiple pages to create campaigns. You can copy a message, change the different things, change images, you are done. So it's really fast and really easy to do. Next, we'll talk about newsletter. We all send newsletters. Most small businesses will like to send a newsletter. So how easy it is to create a newsletter in a few minutes, that's what we're going to show. Here is a little video.
Let me show you how to create a newsletter in just minutes. Simply select a template, and then you can make all of your changes here. So we're going to call this Sales News. And then we're going to change this over here to new customers. This is my area that I'm going to put my sales tips. And I also want to have some promotions here. Over to the left, we can change the colors and the fonts that we use in our email. And it's broken out piece by piece so that you can change different things accordingly. So here I'm going to make some changes and you can see the effects. We're going to change the outer background to black, and we're going to change the header to red. I'm going to change my new customers feature over there to a yellow, and my promotions I'm going to change to a green. If I scroll down further, I have the font choices that I can choose from. So here I'm going to change the header text to a white, so that'll show up a little bit better. And I also want to be able to see my new customers and promotions, so I want to make those texts show up in black. So I'll go ahead and change those to black. You can also change the font style as well as the size. If you want to add an image, simply put your cursor where you'd like the image to insert, and then click on the image icon here. Click on Browse Server, and you can upload your image or choose one from the image gallery. So here I'm going to choose this one, and you can also choose the size and hit enter, and now you'll see I have my image in my newsletter. If I go back up to the top, I can schedule my newsletter. So here I'm going to set this to go for tomorrow at 12 o'clock and click OK. Once I hit save, this will save my newsletter and it will send it out tomorrow at 12 o'clock.
So as you can see, creating a newsletter in few minutes. So created a newsletter, changed various parts of the newsletter and scheduled it and saved it and ready to execute. Now we'll talk about sales process. If you follow a process, everybody has some sort of process, and you can automate that process, especially if you hire another salesperson. You want him or her to follow the same process, and you can automate that simply by letting system know what are the different stages of your sales process, and each stage what do you have to do to take it to the next stage. Also, you can define based on the source of the lead or the type of the lead what different tasks you have to do for different types of leads or different source of leads or different characteristics of the leads. So let me show a quick video.
Here's where you can customize your sales process. Here we've given it the name lead conversion process, and these are our stages from suspect to customer. You can add more stages by clicking the plus sign, remove the stages by clicking the X, or rename them using the pencil. You can also rearrange the order simply by dragging and dropping. You'll notice that under each stage there are different types. So under lead we have referral, website, and Facebook. So under the tasks you can add, remove, or edit tasks here as well. Since the research has been done for us, we're going to go ahead and delete that. We're going to add the task of a demo and click on Save. Here you can also prioritize your tasks as well simply by dragging and dropping. Once you have your process set, make sure you click on the Save button, and that's how you customize your sales process.
So as you can see, that setting up a sales process is really straightforward in few minutes. You can set up all your stages, and each stage what you have to do to move it to the next stage. Now we will focus on prospecting. Some of you may be doing prospecting, so meaning you're calling the leads. Let's say you have 200 leads you have to call, and you want to get through as many calls as possible and set appointments. How do you do it effectively, very quickly, without wasting a lot of time? In most CRMs, you have to have too many pages. You are navigating here and there. Here, everything you do it in one page. Just in the right hand side, you got all the history. On the left hand side, you got a toolbar. You can make a phone call, add a note, or you can send an email and automatically adds to the history. And here is a little video that you can follow.
Let me show you how you can double your prospecting using our lead management system. As you can see, the leads are all listed here like an Excel spreadsheet. Similarly, you can adjust the column width as you would like. You'll notice that all the contact information for the lead is on one line. Here you have the company name, contact, contact phone number, email address, as well as the history for this lead. If you need to make any changes, like to a phone number, simply click on the pencil next to the field you want to edit, and you can make your changes there. If you click on the email address, it'll allow you to send an email to your contact, and that will show up directly in your history. If you need to make a phone call to the contact, simply dial the number and click on the notes over here. Enter your note, and once you hit save, that'll show up in your history as well. Now, if Manny had asked you to perform some kind of a task for him, you can set your task here and set a reminder, and this will remind you every 10 minutes, and you can also assign this to your assistant and click on save. If you needed to set up an appointment, you simply click on the appointment link. You set your appointment here, and once you're done, you can click on the X, and that'll take you back to this page, and you'll notice that you're in the same spot you never left. The checkbox here allows you to complete the tasks that you have. Once you've completed the task, you mark it complete, and that will send you an email saying it was complete, so you'll know your assistant did the job. If you wanted to convert your lead to the next stage, simply click on the convert button here and convert to the next stage.
So as you can see, the prospecting or making phone calls and sending emails and setting up an appointments, all is done in one page. You never lose your place. Everything is in one page. So you waste less time, and you can do a lot more calls. You can consider making calls. The tool doesn't get in the way. It helps you to call more calls and set up more appointments. So here you are, all the tools that we provide. We provide an action items where all your action items for the day are listed in one place. Then the lead management, we talked about how to prospect your leads, and opportunities. If you are interested in tracking opportunities and forecasting, we have a module for that. And customer management, you can manage your customers, get referrals, and we also have a groups management. You can create many groups, and you can treat individual groups and send them email and so on. And we talked about campaigns. Then we also have cases, which is to manage your customers' problems so that you can take care of them, you can support them properly. And we also have a document sharing and document management system, which is you can share documents with your clients. And there is a reporting section where you have multiple reports. You can have activity report. What is your activity for today, yesterday, this week, last week, and also conversion report. What's the conversion? How many conversion has taken place, and today, yesterday, and so on. We also have a forecast report that you can see everybody's forecast in all your entire salespeople forecast for the month or for the quarter, and so it's a comprehensive system. And if you want to know more, there are videos under Getting Started. So under Getting Started, all the videos, you can watch all of those videos and you can get more information. So here are some comparison between other products that you may be familiar with, salesforce.com. And as you can see, they don't provide the newsletter and the autoresponder. So that's important to you, but for a small business. But without that, if you see, the time it takes is quite a lot for all these things, and they add up because your time is money. You spend time, and that's most important to you. Zoho provides most of the things, but it is time consuming to do things, so it costs you a labor time, which is what you want to avoid. And Constant Contact doesn't provide any of the CRM functions like lead form customization or sales process or prospecting or Outlook integration or any of those. It provides, however, all the email related thing, email marketing, and you can benefit from that, but it doesn't provide you the CRM. And we provide all of them with very little labor involved, so you can see that how you can save time, and the overall cost is very low for us. So these are the three different tiers. You can see more on the website, and there is a testimonial, and there is another one. There's a little video I'd like to show you.
Hi, I'm Greg Clark with Commercial Works in Charlotte, North Carolina. We provide office moving, industrial relocation, space planning, project management, distribution, warehousing, and new furniture to our clients. I have found that working with the SOFFRONT CRM software is extremely easy to do, and it also is easy to make adjustments and changes to fit our specific needs. With our diverse customer base and diverse opportunities, it's very important that we track and utilize a CRM to make sure we're getting the most out of our leads. Working with the SoftFront staff is extremely easy. They make changes in a very quick manner when I bring something to their attention that could be beneficial for my ability to track the leads, as well as making it as easy as possible for our sales staff to utilize the system to make sure that they are doing everything possible to secure new business. The software is easy to learn, and it's also very easy to teach. And at any time that you need assistance, it's a simple email or phone call to the SoftFront team, and they are very responsive in getting back to you and spending some time discussing the issue, helping you think through and talk through what your real goal is with any changes you'd like to make or how you set it up to make it as easy as possible to use. I think the key to the success of the software is making sure that you utilize the software to get value out of every single lead that you have. Many times we use paid for lead services, and one of the things that the software has really helped me to do is to make sure I'm maximizing the value of those leads. If anyone watching this video has any interest in giving me a call to discuss, feel free to do so, and you can reach me at 704-504-1513.
So here is a contact information for us if you need more information. And there is a special offer for today, those who are attending the seminar, and you can sign up with the coupon code 20%, and you'll get a discount for the 20% discount for the full year. So you can sign up now. Thank you again for attending. I'm looking forward to helping you more, and if you have additional questions, you can certainly go sign up and send us an email, or when you sign up you can watch the videos or from our website. So there are many ways to reach us, and, through via phone or email. So we would love to hear from you, and thank you again for your time.